Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to make your Discord server look cool. So first you need to lock in your look. So you need to go into your server settings right here in this drop down. You go to server settings, and now let us talk. So the first thing to change is the server icon. So in this case you use a 512 by 512 minimalist logo with high contrast. To change it, just click on this button here, and then just choose what you want. Then the move which is next is the next move is the banner. So use a subtle, high-quality looping GIF for boosted service to give your header some life. So as you can see, in my case, I don't have the ability to do it. For that, you need to buy premium. And also role colors. Match your role colors to your banner's palette. Use a color picker to grab the exact hex codes so your @everyone pings match your aesthetic perfectly. Consistency is what makes you look like a pro. Alright, and after that, let's clean up the list. So, for instance, you can start using the Unicode symbols. So don't just name a channel like /general, like it will be here by default. Use a clean symbol like a chat, like a white chat symbol. So for that, you can just go ahead and type in symbols for Discord, for example, right? And you can choose, as you can see, there are many of them that you can use. So say I'll just copy this, right? Copy that, and I go and rename. Where do we have it? We have the added channel, and then Hangout. I'll just paste this right before, like that, and save the changes. Right, and if you go back, as you can see now, it looks much better already. It's like a gun pointing at it. And also don't forget to use the new join questions so that members pick their interests. You can find this in the server settings. But firstly, you need to create the community so that it's available. And in the onboarding, you can, as you can see, begin introducing yourself, etc. So you can also do that for the user base as well. And your service should now have a high-end digital hub. Hopefully this design guide helped you level up your community. If it did, like and subscribe.